This hive is absolutely overflowing with bees. It's the middle of the day. They're on top, they're on the sides. Cut it up for me. I think I might split this hive today. I've opened it up and just this right hand side. That's Manuka honey there, guys. So some of the most beautiful honey in the world. So there's 6 bars of that, and the 7th bar here has honey on one side and it has the brood on this side. So you can see there the brood and the nice bees around that brood area there. They're covering it with their bodies. There it is. Yep. Okay. So that's the first bar of brood. So I've taken the 2nd bar of honeycomb out and placed it in there, and I've taken the 7th bar with a bit of brood on it and placed it there. So there you can see the gaps where they've come out. And now I'll get another bar of honey and another bar of brood. So I've got another bar of brood and another bar of honey in there. So that's 2 bars of brood, 2 bars of honey. Closing the hive to trap as many bees as I can. I've got the entrance corked. A ventilation hole there for them. Here we are at the new location with the split hive. It's about 8 kilometres away from the old hive. I've given them a bar of brood with a couple of queen cells on it. Capped queen cells, so within a few weeks they should be up and running. 7 weeks later, I've found the new colony doing very well, and I've placed a brand new hive directly above them. I will take their bars of honeycomb and bees and place them directly into the new hive, and this will set them going. Inspecting the bars of honeycomb and bees, I found quite a lot of brood from the new queen, so it appears they're doing very well. I'm very confident the colony will do very well in their new hive.